We'll guide you through how to fix the iPhone speaker not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying, as in you can't go and hear sound from your iPhone. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing to go and get this working, as perhaps trying to go and watch a video, play a game, or do something else. So we've got some different fixes you can try. Make sure it's this full video. So first of all, you want to go and make sure your iPhone is not in silent mode, as sometimes this will go and stop the speaker from working. If you come onto the left of the phone, just above the volume rockers, you'll go and find the silent mode button or ringer button. What you want to do is go and tap and hold on it. As you can see, it then says ring, turning off silent mode. If I press it again, it puts it back into silent mode. So make sure that it goes and says ring. You can also adjust this setting by dragging down in the top right of the iPhone, and you'll go and find the bell icon in the control center. And if you go and tap that, you'll go and see that it then says silent mode's on. Just tap it again to go and turn it off. Go and see if that solves the problem. For this next fix, it does seem obvious, but do just drag down to open the control center and make sure the volume is increased and it's not all the way down, as that's why it's not working. So go and see if it's now working. If it still isn't, for the next fix, you need to go and open up the settings on your iPhone like so. Now you want to go and scroll down and go and find the option for Bluetooth. Tap here. What can happen is your iPhone may be trying to connect or is connected to a Bluetooth device, and that's where it's going and sending the sound. So what you can do is make sure that's turned off like so, and then go and see if the problem's working. If it still isn't, the next thing to try doing is coming down and finding sounds and haptics and tap there. If you're finding the iPhone speakers are just very quiet, what you need to do is go and scroll down and you need to go and find a volume limit for built-in speaker. Make sure this is turned off, as otherwise it's going limited. So you're finding that it partially works, that it can go and solve the problem. Next, we're just going to go and look at the iPhone itself, and you want to go and inspect the speakers. You can go and remove the case, as what can happen is when you go and put your iPhone in your pockets and just go and put it in different places, it can go and catch debris and lint going and blocking these up. And what can happen is then it just really goes and muffles and reduces the sound coming from them. So what you want to do is go and give them a good clean using a soft brush and make sure nothing's in there, which can go and be impacting this. So try doing that, and you can go and see if that goes and makes it better and goes and solves the problem. If it still doesn't, the next thing that's worth doing is a restart, as often that can go and refresh things. To do that, you press the volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side power button. You don't need to go and touch the screen. Now you keep the side power button held down, shortly the phone will go black. When it does, you keep on holding it. You only go and release when you go into the Apple icon. So at this point you can go and release. Now it's going to go and start again. For the next fix, you should go and try using a different app, as potentially it could be a problem with the app. If you do find that it is a problem with the app, then what you should try doing is going and checking the settings, make sure the volume isn't turned down or it's muted. Otherwise, it may need an update, or it may just be a problem and the developer will need to go and fix it. But hopefully with the help of this video, you've gone and solved the problem.